Hola chicas, this is Profe Cher doing another video for you, and I wanted to show you about something a strategy I used to use to learn vocabulary. Actually, this was primarily to cram vocabulary for vocabulary quizzes, to kind of practice the words a lot so that I would be ready for a quiz. And I call it a flip list because I don't really have another name for it. And that is what this vocabulary list that you got today, which looks a little different than the ones you've gotten before, because there are multiple places with blanks that you can see here, and there is a purpose for that, which I'm going to show you right now. So this is the way it works. You have over here in this column, you have a lot of words that are vocabulary. I think you'll notice that a lot of them are review words. The things that you would have learned last year. And then you have a number of columns that are blank. And the way that you do this activity is like this. You would first write in the column next to your vocabulary words, you would write what the words mean in English. So jugar would mean to play. So you write that down. Pintar is to paint. Mirar is to watch. Ver is to see, which is a little different. Salir is to go out or to leave. Volver is to return. And escribir is to write. Notice I wrote down the words I'm pretty sure you guys already knew. Left the other ones that might be harder to remember blank because I'm tricky like that. Anyway, so let's pretend that I have this whole column filled out. What I'm going to do now, when I want to test myself, okay, I'm going to fold my paper over. And notice I can do the same thing over again. So what does jugar mean again? Oh, let's see, that means to play. And pintar means to paint. And mirar means to watch. And ver means to see. Salir means to leave. Volver means to return. And let's pretend that I do this wrong. Escribir means to dance. Okay, so now I can check my answers by flipping back and forth. To play, to play, to paint, to paint, to watch, to see, to see. And I can go all the way down and notice, oh, I made a mistake. Escribir is to write, it's not to dance, so let me correct that here. All right, so I know you're thinking, oh, so cool, what a great idea, Profe, thanks a lot. Now watch this. Ba-bam! Now I have the English, and so I want to go from English to Spanish. So to play is jugar, to paint is pintar, to watch is mirar, to see is ver, to leave is salir, to return is volver, and to write is escribir. Oops, should probably write it correctly if I want it. Here we go. Escribir. And now, if I fold it this way, I can check my answers. Oops, let's try this way actually. Jugar, jugar, jugar. Pintar, pintar. Mirar, mirar. Okay. I could do it this way as well. To play, jugar. To paint, pintar. And then I unfold it here, and I can double check this way. So I can ultimately do this I can do it 3 times in English and 3 times in Spanish. And if I go through this activity 3 times in English and 3 times in Spanish, there's a really good chance that I have learned the words. So this is your homework, is to try out this strategy. You should have the paper all filled out for homework on Monday. I know that you could just write the lists over and over again, but I don't think it's as fun. Well, not like this is terribly fun, um, but by flipping back and forth, you're just doing these little mini quizzes for yourself. And I think I at least I found this to be very helpful when I was in high school and I was learning Spanish. So anyway, I would like you to try this activity out, see if you like it. Later on, you can use it if you want, or you can use other strategies as well. We'll be learning many this year. So this is just one of several tools that you can use to learn your vocabulary. Thank you.